Day in my life as a med student, but not just any day. We're flying out to Romania for a dissection course. Yep, at 5 a.m. My alarm goes off, and honestly, my bed felt like the best thing in the entire world. I did not want to leave. Somehow I managed to finish packing. I shoved everything into my bag, and by 5:30 we were out the door. Okay, now we're driving. Fast forward, I made it to the airport, met my girlies. We chatted, laughed in the usual chaos, and then hopped on our first flight. Guess where? Did you guess? Munich bound. Here's my bag. And yes, I finally started Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. Obsessed already. I literally read the whole flight. Next, we have the layover in Munich. I've never been to Bayern before. Kinda crazy. This is my gorgeous friend, Salma. We went on a little breakfast hunt. By the way, I'm Salma. Hi, guys. I ended up with a Caesar salad and obviously drum roll, a pretzel. A Bayern classic. Back to the airport, chaos. Next flight to Cluj, Romania. The scenery outside is stunning. So I kept reading. I got through 70 pages, not bad. Then I spotted a little pimple situation on my face coming in a bit. Yes. Here's me reading the amazing book. I feel like it's a great one. I'm already done with so many pages. Can you believe it? Yes. Then I spotted a little pimple situation on my face. I had to spray my moisturizing mist. A lifesaver. Also, shout out to these paprika Salzstangen. Wait. When are you eating those paprika Salzstangen? Guess what, guys? They're vegan, gluten-free, but still hit the spot. Amazing snack. Oh, and then reality check. The weather in Cluj, gray, rainy, depressing. The airport itself, tiny, kind of ugly, I'm not gonna lie. And look at this bus that we got in. It legit looks like a beluga whale. You know, the one from Finding Dory. Dumbest but funniest thing I've seen all day. While waiting for the other girls, Salma showed off her new nails. Then we went to check out some sweets. Here's us trying to model. Here's Salma's nails, red, and the usual dance move. So we went to check out some sweets, and I may or may not have proposed to her with a giant chupa chups. Oh my god. Finally, taxi ride to Targu Mureș. After what felt like forever, we arrived at our hotel. Finally, the only modern building in what looks like a village. And that's a travel day done. Stay tuned for the hotel room tour because it's coming next. Stay tuned. We can never go into an elevator.